What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I got my car all put back together again. The body kit is all clean and it's all put together for the most part. As you can see here, I started the masking process, and that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be dipping my car in a couple days. Today is Wednesday and I'm going to be dipping it on Friday. The weather should be a little bit better that day, but yeah, I'm starting to mask the car right now, getting it ready for dip. I also did my calipers over again. I'll show you guys. So I did the whole G2 caliper painting kit. Turned out pretty good. That's the front and the rear right here. Looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, guys, so like I said, this video is going to be just on me prepping the car, getting it ready for dipping. I do have the other videos to go like really in depth on how I prep the car for dipping as well, but I'll be showing a little bit on this video too. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started with masking the car and getting it ready for dip. One more thing before I forget, I'm going to be showing you guys the color of the pearls that's going to be going onto the car next. I have not seen the color of the pearls yet, but we're going to open the box together and we're going to see what color pearl is going to be going on the car. I'm excited to see what my next car color is going to be. DIPYOUCAR sent me a pearl, and I just said send anything and I'll put it on my car. So let's see what that sent me. But yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll figure it out together. All right, so for the windows here, the easiest thing that I like to do is I use a thing called tape and drape. DIPYOUCAR does sell this, and I'm pretty sure you guys can get it in stores too, but if you guys don't mind, get it from DIPYOUCAR, support them. But yeah, so the first thing, as you guys can see here around the outline of the windows here, I do have tape on it right now just so I can get like closer to the edges really good. And on the door here, I taped it and I pushed it down so that the rubber piece does not get into come in contact with the body of the car anymore. So now that I have that, I'm going to just use the tape and drape here, and the blue line on top is tape right there, and then obviously the bottom is the drape part. And then yeah, just line it up, tape it on, and then I'll take some more tape and tape it on the bottom, and it's pretty easy. I'll show you guys right now. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is peel off the little tape part right here. And just line it up right here along the tape. And like I said, it's very easy to use. Just pull it out. And then once I get to the end over here, I just take my blade and just cut off where the end is right here. I should use some scissors, but I don't have any right now. All right, and so once I got that cut, I have my tape here. I'm gonna go ahead and tape all along the bottom here so that all the drape plastic part is not like flapping around once I dip the car. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just tape the bottom like I said, and I'll show you guys the final outcome of how it looks like once I'm done. And just like that, I got this whole side of the windows over here all masked up, and this probably took me like a minute. So masking is the most important part of the car, masking and cleaning, but yeah, this cuts down the whole masking process down by a lot. So tape and drape from DIPYOUCAR. So I'm gonna do the whole top right here because I want to leave the top black all the way to the windshield. But for that, I'm going to be using plastic drop cloths here. So the tape and drape would just be good for me using it on this windows, the other side as well. And I think that's, oh, actually, I'll probably use that for this big grill area here as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and keep on masking. All right, guys, so I'm just about finished masking the car right now. Just gotta do the front here real quick, but let me show you guys what I have done so far. As you guys saw before, it was all blue, but this blue tape right here was kind of coming off. I guess the adhesive is not that great, so I went around with the green one, which is I'm using frog tape. Yeah, frog tape for that one, and it seems to be holding better without any lifting at all. So I don't know. Last time I used the 3M tape here, it seemed to hold fine, but I don't know why it's not holding good right now. But yeah, you guys saw me do the top right there. I did the tail lights, the diffuser area, and I like left like a little bit on top right here, so I could just peel off the dip there. And technically, you guys could just not mask the tail lights, or if you don't want, you don't mask anything at all, because you can just peel off the dip. But I don't want to waste dip spraying on the tail lights and stuff like that, so I'd rather just take the time and mask it and do it correctly. And I'm going to be doing the door piece right here off the car, so that all this area here will get dip on it at first, and then I'll put the door piece back onto the car so that the pearl coat will make it look even. But yeah, that's how it is right there. Like I said, I gotta do the front over here still, but something that I made a dumb mistake. I guess I was too eager to show you guys how to do it, but I did this whole thing right here in one piece, and my hood was not open yet, so I had to cut it so that I could open up my hood. But yeah, little mistakes like that. But yeah, almost done. Just gotta do this part right here, and then I'll be done, and then I'll be able to see what color this car is going to be. All right, so the car is fully masked now. My front lip is back on. The front end is all finished here, as you guys can see. And like I showed you guys earlier, everything is all good on the sides, top, and the back is all done here too. So let's go ahead and open the box that Dipyourcar sent me and see what color the car is going to be next. All right, guys, so here I have the box that Dipyourcar shipped me. So let's go ahead and open it up. And like I promised you guys, we are going to find out what the color of my next car is going to be together. So this is the receipt. I'm just going to leave it here so I don't see the colors. All right, any ideas what you guys think it's going to be? It could be pink for all I know. We'll see. So the pearls. Oh, okay. So the pearls are in here, and there is a candy concentrate right here from Alpha Automotive Paint. So, all right, so the pearls, and this will go into the top coat. All right, so the pearls that I'm going to be using will be ZTF. I'm not too sure, I forgot what color this is going to be, but if you guys look at the bag right here, it's like a pinkish, amber, greenish type of thing, like a chameleon color. And then you add the candy concentrate here into the top coat, and I'm guessing that's going to be like a candy colored type of, I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain it. But I guess we'll figure out how it looks like together. But yeah, so it's ZTF pearls from Dipyourcar and Alpha Automotive Paint Candy Concentrate Red. So that's going to be the color of my next car here. Thank you, Fonzie, for sending this over to me. Dipyourcar, I really appreciate you guys helping me collab on this project right here. But yeah, I guess in a couple of days I will be spraying this car. So if you guys have not yet, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a like. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.